mind sharing with us?
Yeah.
How it began? How many bottles you have supplied?
So there's one thing that I learned from my mentor, that if you run a business and you're in a production line, there's something called a SIPOC. And through the SIPOC process, from the supplier to the customer, there are various stages that it goes through. Now, the mistake that we mostly make is we start from the supplier end, and then we come all the way with finished products, mass products, and we expect the consumers to purchase. But it should be the reverse. You're supposed to identify your customers,
Exactly.
the purchasing power, the number of customers who are ready to purchase those products, and then that advises the number of inventory that you need to have. So we have adopted that strategy. So for us, we started very small. We started doing 50 bottles a week. We scaled up to 100 bottles a week, and now we are doing 400 bottles a week.
Wow.
And we have the vision to be able to scale it up to 2,000 bottles a month.
Wow.
Yes.
Let's talk about the other products. The munchies. Then you have
The mixed nuts.
the mixed nuts. How are these products doing?
For each and every one of these products that we've launched, sometimes I become amazed because as soon as we launch the product, it is received so well and it starts to pick up to start competing with the other products. And sometimes you realize that you ask yourself, the way this product is doing well, should I leave it and focus only on these ones? Or should I leave the other products and focus on these ones? But what I've realized is each and every one of our products has their target audience. So there are products for every customer. So you'll be cutting yourself short if you decide to focus on just one product. Just let all of them sit on the table like a buffet, and the customers themselves will pick what they want. And as you realize that all of them start to go alongside, they start to compete alongside each other. And it's a win-win for you, the entrepreneur.
Coconut oil. Among the things you mentioned, the munchies, the cool, the classic, what did you see in that value chain that made you say, okay, now let's add coconut oil?
Out of our value chain and our products, we want to be able to produce every single thing that we can acquire out of coconuts. Not just the raw coconut pod with the water, but we are focusing on the coconut meat, the copra, the tree itself as a whole, the branches of the coconut, the stem, every single component in the coconut that is of use and value to humankind. We are going to bring products out of that. So this is just like the doorway to other products that are going to come. And coconut oil is a very interesting product because it's one of the healthiest considered oil options for cooking and for other things. Virgin coconut oil, which is what we are producing. But what we're currently producing is the hot press, but we're having the cold press also coming as well. So the cold press has other uses for skincare, for hair, for food. People use it for other snacks.
Since the launch of the Kubehene coconut oil, what unique feedback did you get from people? I think
the coconut oil has been, I think, the fastest seller. I'm not going to say the best seller because I haven't tried it over a period of time. But I know it's going to be for the reception, the adaptation, the application has been great. Just in the past week, all the bottles that we produced just to sort of launch the product are even gone before I even have any for myself. So it looks like we are working towards expanding the production line for coconut oil to make sure that we are able to get more products out there. But so far, the reception has been great, and I think the community is really accepting it very well.